Imagine a realm teeming with life, a vibrant symphony of nature's finest orchestra. Welcome to the Amazon rainforest, Earth's lungs, a veritable treasure trove of biodiversity. Here are 4 incredible facts that might surprise you. 1. The Amazon is home to around 400 billion individual trees representing over 16,000 species, an unfathomable forest indeed. 2. This massive expanse produces 20% of the world's oxygen. Breathe in, that's Amazon's gift to you. 3. The Amazon rainforest houses over 2.5 million insect species, a tiny world within itself. 4. This green giant is also a climate regulator, storing an estimated 100 billion metric tons of carbon. An environmental superhero, don't you think? Unveiling nature's secrets, one fact at a time. Stay curious, stay enlightened.